Hey there, fellow riders. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something incredibly important: motorcycle safety. Riding a motorcycle can be an exhilarating experience, but it comes with unique risks. By following some simple safety guidelines, we can enjoy the thrill of the open road while keeping ourselves and others safe. So let's dive in and explore essential motorcycle safety tips. Gear up for safety. First and foremost, let's talk about the gear. Wearing the right protective gear is crucial to staying safe on a motorcycle. Always wear a DOT-approved helmet to protect your head and face. Additionally, invest in a good quality motorcycle jacket, gloves, pants, and boots designed for riding. Proper gear not only protects you from potential injuries but also keeps you comfortable during your rides. Perform pre-ride checks. Before hitting the road, take a few moments to perform pre-ride checks. Ensure that your tires have sufficient tread and are properly inflated. Check your brakes, lights, and turn signals to make sure everything is working correctly. Don't forget to inspect your oil and fluid levels regularly. By doing these simple checks, you can catch potential issues early and prevent accidents due to mechanical failures. Ride defensively. Next, let's talk about defensive riding. Always assume that other drivers on the road may not see you. Stay alert and anticipate potential hazards. Maintain a safe following distance from other vehicles, and be cautious at intersections and blind spots. Defensive riding is all about being proactive and avoiding dangerous situations before they happen. Be visible. Visibility is crucial for motorcycle safety. Wear bright and reflective clothing to make yourself more noticeable, especially during low light conditions or bad weather. Ensure your motorcycle's lights are functioning correctly, and consider adding additional lighting to increase your visibility on the road. Being seen by other drivers can significantly reduce the risk of accidents. Obey speed limits. As tempting as it may be to open up that throttle, always obey speed limits and ride at a safe speed for the conditions. Speeding is a leading cause of motorcycle accidents, and excessive speed reduces your ability to react to sudden changes in traffic or road conditions. Keep in mind that speed limits are set for the safety of all road users. Practice smooth braking. Smooth braking is a fundamental skill for motorcyclists. Practice using both your front and rear brakes smoothly and gradually to avoid skidding or losing control. Remember to apply more pressure to the rear brake when coming to a stop, as sudden front brake application can lead to a front wheel skid. Watch for road hazards. Motorcycles are more vulnerable to road hazards than cars. Be on the lookout for obstacles such as potholes, loose gravel, wet leaves, and debris on the road. Adjust your riding accordingly to avoid these hazards. A little extra caution can prevent accidents and keep you on the right track. Never ride under the influence. This one should go without saying, but it's worth emphasizing: never ride under the influence of alcohol or drugs. Riding impaired greatly impairs your judgment, reaction times, and coordination, making you more susceptible to accidents. If you plan to drink or use substances, leave your motorcycle at home or find a safe alternative mode of transportation. Be mindful of weather conditions. Weather conditions can significantly impact riding safety. Rain, wind, and low visibility can make riding more challenging. If the weather looks unfavorable, consider delaying your ride or finding alternative transportation. If you do ride in adverse weather, slow down, increase following distance, and be extra cautious in turns. Invest in rider training. Last but not least, investing in rider training can make a world of difference in your safety on the road. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced rider, taking advanced riding courses can enhance your skills, boost confidence, and teach you critical emergency maneuvers. Lifelong learning is key to becoming a safer and more skilled motorcyclist. Well, there you have it, our top 10 motorcycle safety tips. Remember, safety is a shared responsibility. By following these guidelines and promoting safe riding practices, we can all contribute to a safer riding environment for everyone. Stay safe out there, and as always, ride with caution and respect for the road. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep the rubber side down.